All right, guys, I have literally no idea what we're doing today. I was just told to meet him down at the lot this morning, and it's just gonna be a surprise kind of day. But I got the camera, I got the coffee. Anybody ever been there? I was able to do it last year with my 9-year-old daughter. Bucket list item, check it out. Anyway, let's see what we're getting into. Step one, we're gonna get this bucket off the trailer. Let's use that skid steer, so we gotta unhook that grader first. You guys saw it, but this valve over here is puking oil for some reason. So with these quick connects, sometimes little check valves inside just get stuck. So if you just plug them in and then cycle them a couple times, then unplug them, normally that takes care of the problem. And that's exactly what happened this time. So normally whenever I do this, I just go get the forks and drive up on the trailer and scoop this thing off and be on with our day, but I did not realize at the time I put the bucket on, the forks are not down at the lot. So we gotta use the bucket, and unfortunately the bucket does not fit between the fenders, so we're just gonna have to drag it off backwards and throw it in the bucket that way. But that's all right, we'll get them going. That helped. Speaking of bucket list, that's rich. That's rich. Alright, what's next? Alright, next step. We're taking this up to the shop. Still have no clue what we're doing. I lost my coffee though. Anybody see my coffee? Found it on the pre-trip. All right, next step. Old Dirt Perfect's Eagle Eye caught a potential future problem. We're gonna nip it in the butt right now. I'll tell you what it is. In the butt or butt? Never mind. What? It doesn't matter. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 hoses here. Well, these three, 1, 2, 3, say 6,000 on them, and this one said 4,000 on them. So to avoid a potential blown hose in the future, he went ahead and picked another one up that says, listen, it says it somewhere. 6,000 on it. So we're gonna put that on real quick. That's what's next. We got 2 new O-rings. They're lowercase O's, but I think that's gonna be okay. I think that'll be fine. Just don't drop them. Just spun around to get the other one in. Like so. Oh, man. I love it when a plan comes together. Oh, I just did what I said not to do. I just dropped the O-ring on the freaking ground. Great news. Found it. Okay. Make sure it's clean. Looks good. Looks good. Let's see if we can get up in here. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Well, that's awkward. You know what? Topside. There's so much more room for activities up here, I'm telling you. Okay. And we'll just ease that on. Oh. Oh no. I lose it again? How is that possible? Hey there, driver. You got your ears on down there?
Yeah, got you loud and clear.
Great. If you got an O-ring kit, that's going to be much appreciated.
Oh, dare I ask what?
You know exactly why I need an O-ring kit. Come on, man. I just, you know, if you get a chance, I'll be here.
Okay, I got one O-ring sitting on the steel pipe right above where you're working. It's just loosely laying up there. See if you can reuse it. If not, I'll have to use that with the match one.
I got one O-ring sitting on the steel pipe right in the tuck next to where you're working. Oh my God! Look at this. He knew I would lose it. And he set a spare right there for me. Oh, well, when you work with me long enough, you know. Got it. I think, yeah, this worked just fine. This worked just fine. You know, you never know how a video is going to turn out. You don't know what you're getting into. Then 10 minutes into the day, you know, everybody's already making fun of you.
I thought you'd be used to that by now.
Oh! God dang it!
Now what'd you do?
The same thing I did the first time I lost it.
So are you trying to tell me you've lost 2 O-rings this morning?
2 O-rings. All right. You guys aren't going to believe this, but we got it on there. We're just going to get these.
I think they deserve an explanation, Captain.
I don't think they
I
deserve.
think they do. You can't keep that from your viewers.
I don't need to explain to them what happened.
Your channel is authentic, buddy. You got.
They all. Everybody knows what happened. There's no question. Everyone knows. Oh, Kleeman's working on something. That's not gonna go well.
Don't worry, I'll see you in the comment section.
I know what the problem was, Mike. I didn't get those fittings milled before I put them on there. We're flipping this hydraulic cylinder around, and when I say we, you guys know exactly who I'm talking about. I'm just here for comedic relief. You ready? He's ready. He's already doing it. You got it.
So I'm gonna hold this up while you.
Yeah. I mean, it's out. It doesn't have the head, but it works. Tell me when.
Right there somewhere. We gotta turn it now, I think. You get to your end to turn it?
If you got a pair of channel locks. I don't know where the shot's at. Try to eat your head like a dinosaur. It's ridiculous.
Alright, so now we gotta get our quick attach in here. So you're gonna put the adapter, see the adapter?
Yep.
It goes on there. 1 O-ring per side.
1 O-ring per side.
So yeah, you got that, don't you?
Yep.
I have to go down and get the other quick coupler. It's down at the shop.
Okay. All right. You guys get all those instructions. Help me remember. This one goes on the thumb side. This one goes on the track hose side. I'm not sure if I've explained what we're doing here yet. So we rotated this cylinder around. And we're running a hose from this side to here and then the other side. Basically, we feel to what we're used to compared to the 120. You kind of want your machines. Look at that. Oh, I'm going to get a photo op here in a second. He just wants the thumb controls to be the same on both. He wants the quick connects to be the same on both. That way there's consistency across the board so it's not confusing when we're getting out and operating them. So we're switching this around so the thumb controls match the 120. And then we're also adding quick connects on here for the attachments because it did not have quick connects on when he got it. Anywho, we got that piece on. Next, we've got to go over here. And we've got to get this guy on. This fitting used an O-ring on the end. This fitting uses that style, so you don't necessarily need any tape on that. So you make sure your threads are clean. But this needs a little tape on it. Oh, he's pulling up now. We're at the shop. We're just not in the shop. You know what I mean? You know what I mean.
All right.
Female. You're not using that female? Oh, you need one for the other side. So that's pretty much one side. On this side, we're gonna try to keep this in on the boom. We don't want it flopping out of here where we can snag it. So we will have to add a little hose protection there. That's fine. Next side. Right, just about got this one tightened up. You know, I gotta say, I know I've said this before, but it's just nice working to somebody who actually cares enough about their equipment to do stuff like this. A lot of guys are we'll make it work kind of people. Nah, not Mike. Mike's we'll make it mine kind of people, and it's nice. It's refreshing, you know? It's refreshing. People who take the time to set their equipment up the way they want it. Makes you happy to show up for work. That little project's all wrapped up. Looks fine, looks fine. So now this way, the thumb setup is the same as the 120. Just makes for a smoother transition between machines. Know what I mean? Helps with that whole muscle memory thing. Look at that. It's just cool with those two guys sitting there.
There's still one thing left to do.
There's still one thing left to do.
See if it works.
Oh, we have to see if it works. Well, I don't mind if I do. Let's see here. All right, let's see it. Alright, so go on muscle memory. Closed. Open. Closed. Open. Closed. Be cool if it's fast enough you can make it talk like, "Hi Mike, how are you doing today?" "I'm doing great, how are you?" Whatever. It works, that's the point. What do you want to do with it now? Okay. Shut her down, he says. Alright, so like we said, it works. No leaks on the thumb side. Now the controls match the 120. I've said it 5 times. I just want to make sure you guys understand why we're doing it.
Do these controls match the 120?
These controls match the 120.
Way!
I'm serious. I'm not even playing right now. I'm serious. But we do have one small leak here. No big deal. We'll just give her a snug, fire it back up, and that'll probably take care of it. Now, the real question, the real surprise for today, is this going to be the end of the video, or are we going to go do more fun things? I honestly don't know yet. This is more fun than I anticipated this early in the morning. We may just make this a video. Yep, we did. We decided to make that the end of the video. I know it's a little bit different than what we normally get into. It's just kind of some odds and ends around the shop, but that's what we're into this time of year, so hopefully it just keeps the channel fresh, and you guys are okay with that. Let me know in the comments if you would. And we'll finish off with some barge shots like we've been doing recently with the drone. I really like flying the drone out over here and get these shots, and you guys seem to be enjoying them, so we're going to keep that coming if it's okay with you guys. This is a 15 barge tow. He's headed downriver. Looks like is an empty coal barge, but I'm not 100% sure on that. If anybody here works on a tugboat or a towboat or works on the Ohio River, let me know. I'd absolutely love to know when you guys are going to be passing our area. Maybe we can get some drone shots of your boat as we go by. As always, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't found us on Instagram, find us on Instagram, Captain Kleeman. We have little teaser clips of these barges on Instagram. I typically post that before I post the actual YouTube video, so you kind of know what's coming up. And we'll catch you on the next one.